You know, man, very discouraging. When I come out to the backyard, you know what I see? I see a garden. I see the shed I'm restoring and almost done with. And I see an antenna range. That's what I see. And I was going to do my ultra low, like 6 foot to 8 foot high looping, 80-meter chaos antenna. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if anybody, I've got a few people in mind here, but I don't know if they're getting any value out of this. These low antenna end fed experiments I'm doing in my multi-tap UNUN experiments. Yeah, I don't know, man. Couple ham radio channels that are very popular, and these are guys who I've considered an acquaintance, who I've, communicated with. In the recent month or so, they've posted videos of their favorite ham radio channels, or they've listed them in the notes. And dang, man, these guys are friends, and they won't even mention my, fucking stupid, my stupid 6 foot high 40-meter end fed that worked spectacularly. And I figured people would get some value from the results of that. I don't know. I'm going to do my my multi-tap on unwinding tonight for a couple people, because I promised I would. And then I think I'll focus on my garden, because it's that time of year, 73.